All right, guys, time for an unboxing. I just got this in. I ordered some additional product for my kit, and I thought that I would film my unboxing so you guys can see what you get to expect when your order is shipped. So you open the box this way. It says, smells like potential in here. Get those pretty tins into that compact. Tomorrow is booked. Let's do this today. I'll show you what they mean about the tins. All right, so the full-size products, so your foundations, your contours, your highlights, this is a bronzer. They all come in these little tins. So this one is called Cayman Bronzer. On the back, it tells you some of the main ingredients, and it again tells you the color of the product, but you slide it out of the tin. And so now you've got the cover, and this is the piece that goes into your compact. Now, because I ordered 4 products, I got to pick a compact. So I chose the small quad compact. Really pretty. There's me. So you got your mirror here, and again, you can fit 2 of these products here, or you could fit 4 eyeshadows in there. I'm super excited about this. This is the Stay Setting Spray with SPF 30 in it. So excited to try this. Oh no, I ripped the box already. Anybody else a sucker for packaging? How pretty is this? So excited to try that. All right, up next, we've got some eyeshadows, and then there is a little label on the inside of what should be in your package. All right, let's check out these eyeshadows. This is Kohl. The eyeshadows come in these cardboard and plastic containers. Oh, this is a beautiful ash brown. Then we have Graceland. Oh my gosh. Yes, please. Then we have Sabrina. Oh, look at that shimmer. I love these subtle shimmer shades. And I'm sorry, this one is Oak. Beautiful. I'm gonna pop these into this little compact to show you what it looks like in the little compact. Here is that smaller compact, and inside I have put in the 4 shades. Aren't they beautiful? I cannot wait to create some looks with these. All right, let's swatch these bad boys real quick. We have Kohl, Oak, Graceland, and Sabrina. So let's do, oh, they're so soft. Oh my goodness, that's so pretty. Ooh, this would be a really pretty brow color. Dust my little fingers off. Okay, let's do Graceland. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Yeah, so Graceland, wow. Definitely want to make sure we have a primer on before we use Graceland, that glitter. Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. All right, so here's Sabrina. Let's put this down for a moment. Oh, she's pretty too. So there you go, guys, a quick little unboxing, and now you know what to expect when your order gets shipped out. Let me know if you guys like these unboxing videos, and we'll do more. I've got lots more inventory on its way, more video ideas, so we'll see you in the next one.